while the weather is beautiful, that can only mean one thing. It is time to gas up the chainsaw and get to cutting some firewood. There's nothing better than taking advantage of these beautiful days to cut some firewood while it is not too hot, yet not too cold. You always have to make sure that you have plenty of bar oil, or your chain will not go through the wood smoothly. So we are cutting hardwoods today. White oak is a nice hardwood to use here on the homestead. As you can see, it does take a little bit of time to get all those limbs off and cut it into nice lengths to fit inside of your wood heater. You always have to make sure you cut off those little knobs that make it difficult to fit into the wood stove. Cutting firewood is definitely not an easy chore, but with the right tools and patience, it can be done. Hickory is also a hardwood that makes for nice wood heat. Now comes the tedious work. Time to break out the Go Devil and get to splitting all of those nice chunks that have been sawed into perfect lengths. The Go Devil can also double as a wedge in case it gets stuck. Here we have some critters hiding inside the wood. But after a nice hard day's worth of work, you can sit back, relax, and know you have plenty of firewood for the cool winter months here in the Appalachian Mountains. Thanks for watching, and I hope you will join me next time on another journey through an Appalachian heart here on the homestead.